Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Oral-B CrossAction Power Dual Clean Toothbrush. This is a motor powered toothbrush. This is a transparent cover so you can see what the toothbrush is supposed to look like, what it actually looks like. You can see right here. There is not much information over here other than the fact that the contents of this particular package is mentioned. It comes with one toothbrush, one brush head and one battery. So let's open this box and give you a closer look. So there you go, this is what the Oral-B CrossAction Power Dual Clean Toothbrush looks like. It comes with this nice protective cap over here. I'm going to remove this. There you can see, so this is a dual clean toothbrush. You will notice that there are two different kinds of head bristles over here. This is one kind of bristle and this is the other one. And this is where the CrossAction Power technology comes from. The head is not removable, at least not apparently. I will try and see if it can be removed. No, they don't seem to be removable. That's a great thing. There are these anti-slip grips over here, making it somewhat ergonomic. It has a nice sleek design as well. This particular variant is white, as you can see. There is this button over here. I'm going to press on it. Okay, so this is basically the on button. And this is your off button right over here. And what else do we have? You notice the Oral-B logo right over here. I'm going to open this. You have to twist. And there you are, it's open now. And notice there is a AA battery that comes along with this particular toothbrush. I'm going to keep it inside, not take it out. I'll put the cover back in. Put the cover back in, but we just snap it in like so. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Oral-B CrossAction Power Dual Clean Toothbrush. Thank you for watching.